Alpha on the beat.
Yo, what's up everybody? I'm so excited the day today. What a big day. LamVOR Adventure Safari is having our second trip. This is our second official trip ever since the company was set up. But it is a product that I've been running for over 5 years. Get ready, get ready. It's going to be super fun. Along with my friends and other people that I don't know. It's all about creating friendship in this trip.
Well, hello, welcome. Thank you guys. This is Alpha on the Beats, and I'm so excited to be part of this wonderful journey with my friends at Lions Safaris. It's a trip company, and I'm really excited to be part of it.
Yes, Alpha on the Beat. Yeah, this is my friend Alpha on the Beat, and every soundtrack that we are going to be using in our documentaries or travel documentaries are all produced by him. You will listen to them and you know what it is. So I'm going to ask him a few questions. Yes, what are your expectations? This is your first time traveling with us.
As I said, it's my first time, and just know I'm so much excited. Like, I've never had a chance to have a trip like this, so I'm so excited. I really want to see new things and adventures and stuff, you know.
Yeah. This is LamVOR. We escape, we explore, and we experience.
I love
what
that.
we do.
I love that.
Ah yes, this is Joel Con, aka the Travel Prince from LamVOR Adventure Safari. Here I'm with Isaac, who was there for our previous trip. So I want him to tell us what his experience was in the previous trip, and then what his expectations are. So Isaac, how you doing?
I'm good.
This is the second trip for LamVOR Adventure Safari,
Right.
and I'm so happy that you're part of us and you were with us in the beginning.
I'm also happy.
So, how was your experience in the previous trip?
It was very good. We truly enjoyed. Everything was marvelous. As we went even beyond our expectations. We truly enjoyed. It was
Wonderful.
good.
So, what is your expectation for today's trip?
I think it's just going to exceed. It's going to be wow. God is with us.
Amen. Well, LamVOR Adventure Safari's escape, explore, experience. Before me is Faith. She was also around for our previous trip, and because of that great experience that she had to also come today for this for the second trip of LamVOR Adventure Safari. With us, she was able to escape, explore, and experience. So today, I just want to ask you a simple question. Maybe I'm speaking on her behalf, so I'm going to ask her. How was your experience before anyway? How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
How are you?
I'm good. So your experience in the previous trip?
The previous trip was fine, very fine, and it was okay actually. And the birthday celebration was just okay.
So
We are going to celebrate your birthday today.
we shall see. Those are surprises. Like the other one was also a surprise.
Okay.
So your expectation for today's trip?
A lot. I just expect fun.
Okay. What did you like the most about the previous trip?
The previous trip. What was meeting new people, and they are very free and friendly people, and food. That was okay.
I'm going to be food.
Like we told you, LamVOR Adventures, here we are. We told you we shall explore with you all over Uganda. Here we are at Mukono Katosi, and we are heading to MUTOOLA beach, and it's gonna be massive. It's gonna be fire on fire. Just wait and watch.
wote hapa ni LamVOR Adventure Safaris, tunaelekea MUTOOLA beach. Experience nzuri. Sorry, right over here.
Alpha on the beat.